Okay. Good morning, everyone. Ayan. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga tinatanong tungkol sa Ferndy. Kung gaano nga ba ito ka-safe gamitin. Kasi sabi ng iba, ba't daw ako maniniwala na hindi naman to prescribe ng doktor? Okay. Papaliwanag ko po sa inyo na itong si Ferndy, itong product ni iFern ay nasa memes po ito. Dagdag kaalaman lang po dun sa memes, ibig sabihin nasa book of doctors po si Ferndy. Nire-reseta po siya. Sa iPhone company, almost 200 or more than 200 doctors po ang nagre-reseta ng Ferndy at sa ibang iPhone product. Marami po yan. Papakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano talaga to ka safe ang sinasabing hindi naman daw prescribe ng doktor. Yan. Please watch this.
Why did I join iFern? Well, aside from the business opportunity, ang unang nagpa-attract sa akin to iFern was their products.
Doctors trust and use iFern products for so many reasons.
Sometime in 2017, when iFern business was first presented to me, I joined right away because I saw a very promising vitamins and supplements from this company.
So my journey in iFern started when during the pandemic I was looking for a vitamin D supplement that is 1,000 units. Kasi yun po yung recommendation ng aming society for the management of COVID in children.
At saktong-sakto sa practice ko. Bakit? Lahat kasi sila ginagamit ko. Lahat sila nire-reseta ko. Vitamin D, vitamin B complex, and the calcium.
And the main reason why we doctors from different fields of specialization and subspecializations are recommending prescribing these products, it's because of the seals of approval that we have in these products, assuring us of its highest quality, safety, and efficacy.
Ayan. Kung napanood yung hanggang dulo, yung sinasabi ni Dr. Navarra na 1,000 international unit o 1,000 IU, ito po yun, si Ferndy. Ayan. Nakalagay po dito, 1,000 IU. Ayan. Kaya po, ano pa? Huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-Ferndy na. Bye-bye!